Scott McNeil of Ace Controls, talking about our Industry 4.0 capabilities. So here we have a standard SCS stacker crane shock absorber with external piston accumulator. It's charged with nitrogen to 30 psi or 2 bar, such that when the oil is forced through the shock under the floating piston, it will compress the nitrogen and conversely will force the rod back out for the next actuation. Typically there's an analog gauge in the system, so a technician can go around and check that the accumulator in the system is charged properly. What we've done is add a wireless pressure and temperature sensor that can communicate to a receiver node, to an edge computer, connected to the cloud, communicate through the internet back to the device's iPad or iPhone. What we're doing here at the show is we simulate a system that would lose pressure in real-world application, and when the pressure drops a little bit, we'll send a yellow caution out to, again, an iPhone or an iPad, any device that can be configured, or a dashboard. The next step we'll do is lower the pressure even more so that the system function is not assured, and send a further, stronger warning for a technician to address, maintain the system. This edge computer can work with up to 600 sensors, so it could run, for example, an entire amusement park ride or something like a steel mill with many of these shock absorbers. The second mode we demonstrate at the show, and in a few seconds here we'll get a pressure rise which simulates an actuation of the shock, and we can detect that pressure rise and count that as one cycle of the shock. By counting the cycles of the shock, we can combine that with the temperature and make an end-of-life prediction or a lifetime model, very similar to an automobile oil life monitor. So here you see the pressure goes up. We'll shortly count that, so that develops our 24/7 remote monitoring, end-of-life prediction, Internet of Things, Industry 4.0. For more information, contact acecontrols.com. Thank you.